All right, for this object lesson, I am going to teach you how to make boo bubbles. So boo bubbles are really cool. They're it's an experiment by Steve Spangler, and it's one of those things that is like, once you get the knack of it, you can do some pretty cool things. So first off, you do have to have one of these special containers here that has the tubing and the dry ice in it. So we have some water already in here, and it's best when you use warm water, not boiling water, but really warm water. So I already have that in there, but I'm actually going to grab some extra ice, some dry ice, and some bubble solution. Okay, so dry ice should always be handled with a leather glove or some sort of glove, and because it can burn you when you hold it too long. So I have done that. It does hurt, but if you have like a leather garden glove, that works perfect, or even like one of these little like gloves that you have in the wintertime. But all you have to do is just go ahead and dump that in there, and that's going to start to bubble up a little bit more. And then we also have this extreme bubble solution. And I do recommend getting the extreme bubble solution because Dawn soap is just not enough. So this one allows you to actually play with the bubbles a little bit. So you just need a little bit of bubble solution in your cup. All right, now the key to this is the lid. So the lid will help make the fog go through your tube, but you definitely want to dip your tube in the solution first, pull it out, and then put the lid on. And that will create your boo bubble. So again, these bubbles can be just made, and I do recommend having some sort of, fuzzy black fabric works the best. That way it shows up even if you're videoing this or you're doing it live in the classroom. But there we go. And then also, if you have somebody wearing a glove, if I do this right, bigger bubbles. If I do this right and I tilt a little bit up, oh, I almost had it, but you can actually hold the bubble in your hand. But let's try that one more time. Dip it in, close the lid, never fully close the lid down. We never want to do that when you're working with dry ice, and then you can make the bubbles. So again, that is how you make boo bubbles and working with dry ice for that.